Hello, dear learners. I hope you all are doing well. I'm here with a new lesson from your Marigold book today. So, the lesson that we are going to begin is about a root vegetable. It is white and purple in color. Children, can you guess what vegetable am I talking about? Yes, you all have guessed it right. I'm talking about the turnip. So, the chapter that we are going to begin today is the enormous turnip. Before we begin the lesson, I want to tell you the meaning of enormous. So, enormous means something that is huge, something that is very big in size. So, this turnip that we are going to read about is enormous. It is really huge, it is very big in size. Let's read the chapter. Once upon a time, an old man planted some turnip seeds. The turnip seeds grew. The turnip seeds grew and grew. I want to pull up the enormous turnip, said the old man. The old man pulled and pulled, but he could not pull up the enormous turnip. Once there was an old man, and he planted some turnip seeds. So the turnip seeds grew. They kept growing. As you see, the trees and the plants, they keep growing. So this turnip seed also grew, and it grew into a big turnip. The old man said that he wanted to pull the turnip out. The old man pulled and pulled, but he could not pull up the enormous turnip. The word grew here is the past tense of the word grow. An old woman came. I want to pull up that enormous turnip, said the old man. I will help you, said the old woman. The old man and the old woman pulled and pulled, but they could not pull up the enormous turnip. So now an old woman accompanied the old man in trying to pull up the turnip, but both of them could not pull the turnip out of the ground. A boy came. We want to pull up that enormous turnip, said the old woman. I will help you, said the boy. So now this boy who came there, he also wanted to help the old man and the old woman to pull out the enormous turnip. The old man and the old woman and the boy pulled and pulled, but they could not pull up the enormous turnip. So these three also could not pull the turnip out of the ground. A girl came. We want to pull up that enormous turnip, said the boy. I will help you, said the girl. So there a girl came by and she agreed to help them to pull out the turnip. The old man and the old woman and the boy and the girl pulled and pulled. Up came the enormous turnip. We will help you to eat the enormous turnip, said the old woman, the boy, and the girl. And they did. So now, when the girl also joined the other three in trying to pull out the turnip, it came out. So, they also wanted to join the old man in eating and relishing the delicious big turnip. And they all did. They enjoyed having it together. So, children, what do you think is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is that united we stand. It means when we come together and help each other in accomplishing a task, when we work like one group, we can do wonders. We can achieve anything that we want to. So children, always remember that unity is strength. In this story, you saw the old man could not pull out the turnip alone. But when the old woman, the boy, and the girl all four of them worked as a team, they could pull out the enormous turnip. That's all for now, learners. I hope you have enjoyed watching the lesson and learned a very good moral from the story. I'll see you all in the next class.